First bag you have documentation, a sticker pack with DJI and stuff on it. This is probably the warranties, warranties card, because it comes with warranty. And then you have the quick start guide, that's here. And of course, safety guidelines. I'm not gonna read the quick start guide. By the way, on the back there's a QR code with the full manual that you can download. So we're gonna open the bag to see what's in here. Oh, this is a nice bag. It's a really nice bag with a card on it. Let me see what it says. Yeah, it says the DJI Mic Mini. That's it. Let's open the bag. It's really high quality. I can't show it really. It's really durable material. It's not something cheap. Of course, you have the silica gel, which needs to be in there. And then you have 3 smaller bags. Bags is empty. A bag is actually, it has an additional zipper in it, and on one side you have a room actually to put, whatever, memory cards or things like that. Inside the zipper, what's there? Let's see, that's a smaller pouch to put something in. It's really, I can't describe it, but it's really good material. It's a sort of a cotton with a special weave. It has DJI on it, so that everyone sees what it is. Let's open this one first. This looks to be wind thingies, wind socks or something. There are 4 in here. It's with a special clip. I don't know if you can see that. It's a clip to put on the little mics. There are gray ones. Then we have a cables. So this is again the cable to connect the receiver with the camera you're using. This is a cable USB-C to USB-A to charge. I can open it. So USB-C to USB-A to charge the case. And the case itself, it's a heavy thing. It's heavier than I thought actually. It's made out of, it's plastic, but it's durable plastic. Yeah? There's a thing on here, a sticker on here that I'm gonna pull off. That's very satisfying. The opening mechanism, you push and then it opens. Yeah. When opening it, it immediately activates, what I can say is the receiver. That's this thing, which is really small. And the 2 microphones, they're active when you open the case. Let's see that. Okay. So the mic itself has a clip. I don't know if you can see that well. It's a small clip, that you can put on your shirt or anything. But more used is actually the magnet. So you have a magnet on the back, and you can just put it on a cloth. I can demonstrate it here by doing it like this, and then the mic stays on. To put the wind thingy on, you just you have to okay, it goes on like this in the back. You push it, voila, now it's on, and then you can use it. The microphone itself is fairly simple. There are 2 buttons on it. One button is to link it to the receiver, and the other one is to switch it off if you're not using it. Voila, now it's off. The receiver itself, it has a setting. I'll go through everything. You can charge it separately. So if you are going to use it for a long time and have extra microphones, you can charge the receiver or plug it in a battery. That's possible. You have the microphone out, yeah, which is the thing you plug into the camera again. And then you have, yeah, of course, you have an on-off button if you're not using it. And this is actually to turn on the volume. Yeah. So it's 0, it's +6 and +12 dB if the microphone is too far away. There is another mount here. I think that's an accessory from DJI to mount it on one of their rigs or one of their cameras. If you have, there's also -6 and -12, so if the sound is too loud. It's really clear what it does. It has a nice click. It feels actually really good. It's high quality. That's something I can say from DJI. It also has a clip if you want to put it on a bracelet or something with your camera guy. What else is in here? There is a receiver, if I can get it out. This is to plug in your phone, and you undo this on the bottom and you connect it to this USB-C thing like this, and then you can put it in your phone with USB-C. Of course, it only works with USB-C. It's also high enough that it can fit in a phone with a case or something like that. Yeah, and then you can use it. I think I saw it usable on Android as well as iOS, as long as your phone has USB-C, of course. I'm gonna plug it out here. The case itself has 4 LEDs here. When charging the case, you see these go from 0 to full. So that's what it is. It's like I said, it's a really nice case. It has the instructions to switch on and off the microphones. I don't know if you can see that. And it also has the instructions how to pair. This is useful because sometimes with wireless headphones you have to go online and look up how the hell are you going to link them. So that is a possibility that you can do. It has also some stands, so it doesn't shift or anything. So that's the DJI Mini Mic or Mic Mini. I'm going to use it for making videos, of course. Thank you very much for your attention.